Hey guys, this is Fan1324. What am I saying we for? I'm gonna be showing you how recettear, yeah, that, and cheat engine. I have no idea what I'm thinking. I just got out of surgery yesterday. Yeah, but how to I have failed this game several times because of except for that one. I've already done this before on that one. As you can see, by my $9 million. I made sure that motherfucker wasn't gonna lose. Alright. Now, you see this, so let's open up. I have two screens, so I can still see that. The cheat engine. Get your ass back over there, bitch. And now we wait for it to open. Oh, okay. Let's see. Okay, what you do is click on this and click on recettear. Recettear has to be running for this to work. Open it, then in the value, put how much pics you have at the present moment, which in my case would be 9,420. We did the first scan. Okay, open up shop and sell something. Or buy something, it doesn't matter. My foot just... Merry Christmas. It doesn't matter what you sell it at. Okay, I sold it for less than 100%. Alright. Now, you go to next scan and put in how much money you have now. And then next scan. Which I have forgotten something. Hold on. Okay. I know I've forgotten something, and it's the most important part. Okay, let's go with you actually gotta sell something, because I think I just failed miserably at something along those lines. Book guy. Hey, book. Thank you. Now... Woohoo, shit. Next scan. There. Alright, now, you see you get two things here. Click on the second one, and it'll pop up down here. Now double click down here, and change this to whatever. Now watch as the money changes. And that's how you do it. Now I gotta sit here and wait for this. I ain't got nothing, you old bastard. Yes, you screwed up. Congratulations. If any of you guys have questions about this, leave a comment, do something. I can make another video. I will. I'll post in the description what the song is. It's "Don't Stop" by the Inner Party System.